In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay Expedia with Affirm. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if Expedia offers Affirm as a payment option for your booking, you can split the cost of your trip into installment payments instead of paying the full amount up front. Now, availability depends on your location, the type of booking, and your eligibility with Affirm. Now, what we need to do is come on over to expedia.com and sign into your account, and then we need to basically get to the checkout section. So I'm just going to go ahead and find a hotel in my city here. So I'm going to go ahead and click search. Now I'm just going to choose this one here, so EOS by Sky City. And I'm going to scroll down. Now I want this one here, frequently booked, Allure King room. So I want to choose this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on pay now. Now on this page here where it says who's checking in, go in and put in your details, and we've got payment details. Now if Affirm is available, it's going to appear here. So for this hotel, Affirm isn't appearing. So like I said, selected hotels flights are going to use Affirm. And if it isn't shown here, that means that property, flight, or whatever doesn't accept that payment method.